Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to use a smash file transfer to send large files. And in this video I will make sure it will be and break down step by step guidelines. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. Smash is a platform where you can easily share your big folder, like they allow you to upload file like 2 gigabytes. So it is really like helpful for us who are working on large files. So here you just need to paste your folder or file whatever you want. I'm going to copy these three and upload it here. So you can upload files how many you want, like below 2 GB, and then you can, once your upload has been done, then you can share your file with your friends, with your colleague, with your known person. So I'm going to copy my mail over that place, then I will your contact email. This one will be my contact. Let's provide it perfectly, your contact email. Okay, similarly my contact email will be also this one, so I will paste it here. So subject will be my name, and I don't want any message, so you can change here expire date if you want, then click on send. Once you click over here, they will send the code over here to confirm my mail. So I am going to visit my mail and click over here, and then it will give us the code. You need to copy it and paste it here. Once you paste it here, it will be able to share our file with our friends. So here now as you can see, this is transferring. So the process is really simple and it already transfers. So let's see view transfer, and let's click over here. Now you can see the eventual result in here. So you can see click to download your files Mahim. Just click over here. Now you can see your download has been started. The process is really quick and simple. I hope you understand how Smash works and how you need to work on Smash if you want to share your files. So whatever, if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.